Hey, what's up you guys? So in today's video, we're going to talk about the top high-paying affiliate marketing programs to promote in 2021. I'm also going to show you some of the best programs you can start promoting as a beginner affiliate marketer starting in this business. Now guys, I've been able to generate a multiple six figures in affiliate marketing, and I recently started my business in May of 2019. And you can see here that I have over 20 plus income streams of affiliate programs that I promote. Now the reason I was able to do this is because I've been able to build a following and an email list, as you can see here, of over 46,000 people, which allows me to promote multiple affiliate marketing programs. And I could talk about that a little bit later, guys. But not only that, I've been able to mentor thousands of students. And you can see here, Julia, who has made her first $1,000 with my program, Freedom Breakthrough. And I have a ton of other student testimonials as well. But guys, let's get into the actual video. If you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. But I have a ton of videos on how you can make money online, how you can drive traffic to your affiliate offers, and much more. Guys, the main goal of my channel is to help you build a passive income business so you can achieve financial freedom. So if you guys want to learn more, please subscribe to the channel. Let's get into the video. Now, the first affiliate marketing program I want to talk about is Thrive Themes. Now, Thrive Themes, guys, is an awesome program, and this is one of the programs that allows you to basically collect leads on a website. So let me show you how it works, okay? So here's my website here. Basically, there's a pop-up that comes up, all right? And what Thrive Themes allows you to do is collect an email address. Again, this is one of the most important parts of an affiliate marketing business or an online business in general. So I like to promote Thrive Themes because it allows you to add this on your websites and allows you to collect email addresses. Now, what's cool about these guys is they actually pay 35% commission per purchase. And what's my favorite thing about this program is they have reoccurring commissions, which I love in any affiliate marketing business. Okay. Now, the way you can promote Thrive Themes is basically with a blog or a YouTube channel, because you can teach people how to use this software. For example, if we go to YouTube and type in best WordPress themes, you can see here, there's a ton of videos on this subject here. And what you can do is add your affiliate link of Thrive Themes in the description of the YouTube video. Another way you can do it is if you go to Google here. If we go to Google and we type in best WordPress themes, you can see here there's blogs about, the best WordPress theme. So you can create blogs about this and promote Thrive Themes. So this is one of my favorite programs to promote. And I actually just recently started promoting these guys. You can see here, just in the last few weeks, I've been able to do almost $300 promoting them. So I haven't been promoting them very long, but I just started, and you can see here, I just made my first $300 with Thrive Themes. Now, the second affiliate marketing program I want to talk about is ClickFunnels. This is still one of my favorite affiliate marketing programs to promote because they give you up to 40% monthly reoccurring commissions, guys. That again is one of my favorite things because with monthly reoccurring commissions, you get paid every single month, right? So let's just say you have 100 people using this software, that's about $4,000 a month. Now, of course, that takes time to get, that takes time to build up, but I can show you how to do this. Now, the cool thing about ClickFunnels, and if you don't know what they do, they actually allow you to build landing pages for your business. They allow you to basically collect email leads. So for example, here's one of my pages here. I was able to create this inside of ClickFunnels, and if people click this link here, I'm able to collect an email address, right? Now, again, this is the most important part of a business, right? So what ClickFunnels allows me to do is build these pages, and it helps businesses, local businesses, online businesses do this. So people are looking to build their business and automate their systems. So ClickFunnels allows you to do that. Now, I love the affiliate program. I've been able to generate a ton of income with ClickFunnels. You can see here, they have multiple programs. You can see they have books here that you can promote. I've personally done almost $3,000 with this book. They have other courses that have other challenges. You can see here I did $1,100 with this program. And then of course they have the actual software, which I love promoting because it's monthly reoccurring commissions. You can see here almost $4,000 promoting the actual software. Okay, so ClickFunnels is a great program to promote if you're wanting to help businesses grow their businesses. Now, another program is a cost pay per lead affiliate program. Now, I've talked about this in an old video that I did back in 2019. But what's cool about this is you actually get paid $1 per single opt-in lead. So basically what that means is you actually get paid for not even making a sale. So for example, let's just say you go to this page here and you click this button and they enter their email, right? You actually get $1 for every email that you get that you send to this program. And it's really, really cool because this is called CPA marketing. It's a different type of affiliate marketing. But what's cool is, again, you don't get paid, or you only pay when someone enters an email address, right? So that's the only way you get paid, which is really cool because you don't have to worry about the sale, right? So the really, really easy guys, they give you the pages, they give you everything you need. And honestly, the best way to drive traffic to something like this, let's just say he gives you a page like this, I would do something like solo ads because you can pay per lead. So for example, if you go to udemy.com and let's just say you click on this guy right here, you can actually pay for someone to send traffic to their pages. Now, again, you're going to make $1 per lead. So you want to make sure that it's going to be worth your time. It's going to be worth your money to send traffic here. This is great for beginners because you don't have to worry about making a sale. You're just, it's kind of getting your feet wet and making sure you can make money in this program. Now, what's cool is they actually pay out through PayPal. And I think they have about 25 to 50% opt-in rate, which means if you send about 100 people to these websites, you can typically get about 50% of people to enter their email if you send solid traffic. Okay, so great program to promote if you're looking to just get CPA or cost per acquisition, which means when people just enter their email address. Now, the next one, guys, is one of my favorite programs to promote because people need websites, right? People need to be able to create a website. They need, everyone, online businesses, local, affiliate marketers, everyone needs a website, and there's websites being built every single day, like thousands and thousands of websites. So Bluehost is one of my favorite affiliate programs because there's such a need for this. Now, what's cool is the actual affiliate program, they pay you $65 for every lead for every person that signs up for Bluehost. Okay. Now, what's really cool is I've actually done almost $400 this month with Bluehost, which I don't actively promote. And this is something that I do kind of on the side, and that I'm able to make decent money because I teach people how to create websites. Now, you can also go to YouTube and teach people how to create websites, right? So how to create a website. And this is very easy to do. You can go show people how to create a website, but you're going to have to give them the actual link to Bluehost, right? They're going to have to use this to create the website. So you're teaching somebody something, right? But in return, you're giving them your affiliate link so they can go and use your link to create their website. You can see here a ton of videos on how to create websites and basically use your affiliate link of Bluehost so they can actually use that to create their website. Really, really easy to do. Now, the next program is something that I promote specifically for YouTube, and something called TubeBuddy. And what this program allows you to do is find keywords inside of YouTube. So I'm going to go back and let's just say we want to create the how to create a website video, but we want to make sure our video is at the top, right? So you can actually do that with TubeBuddy, and this is why I promote it, because a lot of my followers want to create a YouTube channel. That's something I teach inside my courses and inside my mentoring programs. So TubeBuddy is one of the main programs that I promote. So you can see here, if I wanted to create a video on how to create a website, what TubeBuddy allows me to do, it tells me, hey, is this a good keyword? So I can go to TubeBuddy and it'll say, no, it's not a good keyword. It's a poor keyword. But what TubeBuddy allows me to do is, let's just say, I want to say how to create a website in 2000. Now with TubeBuddy, if I hit explore with the newer keyword, the longer tail keyword, what this program allows me to do, it'll tell me if that keyword is better or worse. Now you can see here that it gave me an excellent score of 100 out of 100, which honestly is very difficult to get, especially with a very competitive keyword like how to create a website. So I love this tool because, if you're looking to create YouTube videos and you want to show up at the top, all you got to do is make sure that keyword is longer tail, and the tool will actually show you if it's a good keyword. Now the actual program gives you up to 50% commissions, which again, I love 50% commissions, but even better, it's monthly reoccurring commissions, guys. Again, this is one of my favorite things about the TubeBuddy affiliate program. Now you can see here, I've done almost about $300, but this is growing exponentially because I teach people how to use the program. I show them how to properly use it. So then I give them my affiliate link, and then that makes it very easy to sell, right? Something that I use personally is very easy to sell because I show people how to actually use the program. All right. Now the next one, guys, is clickbank.com. Now this is different. This is not a private network. It's more like a full network where you can go and find a ton of different products. Okay. So this is not like a private network like the other ones I just spoke about. But what's cool about ClickBank is they have so many products that you can go and promote. So for example, if you go sign up here, very easy to do. You can sign up in a few minutes, just enter some basic information. And what you want to do next is go to the marketplace. And with the marketplace, there's a ton of different categories that you can promote, right? So arts and entertainment, there's betting systems, there's business and investing, food, education, like so many things you can promote on ClickBank. Now with ClickBank, it's going to be mostly digital products, like courses, anything online is going to be on ClickBank. Now what's cool is you can go to find products and look for the best promoting or the best products that you can promote that most people are making money with. Okay. Now, the next network is going to be similar to ClickBank, but instead of digital products, this is more physical products. Okay. So basically, instead of like online courses, it's going to be like actual clothes or actual products or services that you would get in person. So for example, if you would go to the automation niche here, you can see that there's actual products that you can promote, right? So for example, there's radars you can promote, right? So very, very niche down. But I mean, if you can see here that $135 in 7 days is basically the earnings per click. So very high converting, because if people are looking for radars, they're pretty much going to buy, right? If you talk to the right people at the right time. And you can see here, they have car covers and anything, right? So what's cool about Share Sale is that you can actually promote these, physical products if you didn't want to promote digital products, like ClickBank or something like that. Now with Share Sale, it is a little harder to get in. It's not a program that you can just apply for and they're going to, approve you. With Share Sale, you actually have to prove that you have a business, right? A YouTube channel, a website, something like that, where they can actually prove that you're a legit business owner, right? So what I recommend, guys, is building a website from scratch that is in your niche, right? So if you're, let's just say, in the automotive niche, you'd want to build a website, kind of promoting car stuff, right? So radars or car covers, whatever it is, so you can prove that you're an affiliate marketer with an actual business. Now, I do have a training for you guys, absolutely free, how to build a website. This is going to be completely free, how to build a website from beginning to end, 100% free. This is going to be free for you guys. This is my step-by-step guide. I'm going to link this down in the YouTube description down below so you guys can access this and build your website, because if you want to promote an affiliate marketing program, I highly recommend that you at least have a website so you can promote them later. Now, the last one I want to talk about is Freedom Breakthrough. This is actually my program. It's a high-ticket affiliate marketing program. It's a $1,000 product, but I give a 50% commission. So if you're looking to make high-ticket commissions and get to that 6 figures as fast as possible, I recommend doing high-ticket affiliate marketing because, again, this is the fastest way to get to that 6-figure mark. This is the way I was able to build my business extremely quickly. Now, the cool thing about my program is not only do I give you a high converting funnel, is I actually give you all the email swipes you need, the videos. Let's just say you want to run ads to my program. You can go here and download my ads, and basically you can start promoting it on Facebook, YouTube, whatever you want to do. I give you that freedom to be able to do what you want to do. Now, guys, I'm gonna leave a link down below to this program so you can get more information to see how it works, stuff like that. Now, guys, I hope this video was of value. If you want to learn my complete system on how I created a 6-figure business in my first 6 months, and basically left my job in my first 9 months, I'm going to leave a link down below. It's a 1-hour training. I'm going to show you step by step my whole system, how I'm able to do this, how how I'm able to build my email list, how I'm able to build my long-term assets, and I could do this for the long term, right? The main goal of my channel is to help you build a long-term sustainable business, not just something that you can make a few bucks and then, next year you don't have a business, right? I want to show you how to do this for the long term. I'm going to leave this down below in the first YouTube link description, guys. You guys can go through that and give yourself about an hour time. I go through step by step how you can get started. So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value. Please like this video, comment, all that good stuff. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and we'll see you guys in the next video.